Hello everyone, it's your girl Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. You guys know I'm a DIY girly through and through. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do DIY eyelash extensions and make it last for 7 days straight. Yes, I'm so excited for you guys. Last time जो मैंने वीडियो बनाया था, I'll leave the link up for you guys over here. तो उसमें जो मैंने DIY लैश एक्सटेंशन बताया था, दैट वॉज मोर ऑफ लाइक वन डे थिंग. यू अप्लाई इट इन द मॉर्निंग एंड देन यू रिमूव इट एट नाइट. बट दिस वन, I have found a product that will make it last for 7 days. I've been testing it out for a while now and I know it does last for 7 days straight. So excited to share it with you guys. Also, I have a tint, an eyebrow tint that makes it look like this without using any eyebrow product. You guys need to watch this video till the end. Let's get started. Before we get started, let's quickly take a look at the before and what we're working with. Starting with the eyebrows, I can clearly see a lot of bald spots, especially at the tail end. आप देख सकते हो, there are a lot of bald spots. And this area right over here, there is literally no hair. And there's just like a big bald spot and I really don't like it. And in general, it's quite light. I wanted to darken it a little. Talking about the lashes, I have done DIY lash lift. Uska pura video already YouTube pe live hai. I'll leave the links up for you guys in case you're interested. It did curl my lashes before, तो एकदम ऐसे straight हुआ करते थे. I'll put that before as well for you guys. Now it is curled a little, but it's not really dense. I don't have very dense lashes or that long lashes. So today we are going to be doing DIY lash extensions to help that. And also please ignore my hair. I've just washed it. It's still a little wet. Let's start with eyebrows first. I don't have any makeup on my eyelashes or my eyebrows, but still I'm going to go ahead with a micellar water and give it a clean wipe just to make sure there is no dirt, residue, oil, anything on my eyebrows. To tint my eyebrows, I'll be using a henna powder. This is from this brand called Mina Eyebrow and this is supposed to make it last for 7 days. I have tried this before and it definitely lasted 5 to 7 days. 5 day के बाद वो थोड़ा lighten up हो ही जाता है. But yeah, it definitely does last for a good time. And सबसे best चीज जो मुझे इसकी लगी है, this tints your skin as well. So this is not a hair color, this is like a proper eyebrow tint. जो last time मैंने tint use किया था for my eyebrow, that tinted only the hair. So this part was still very visibly like bald. But this one solved it, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use this. And also this is in the shade grey brown. I feel like that is like the perfect shade for Indian. And also this is a henna powder, so no ammonia, no lead, and you can get up to 10 applications from this. Let's take a look what's inside. This is the sachet. इसमें henna powder आता है. Once you use this, you just transfer it into this clear bottle. ये भी दिया हुआ है. So I've used it before, तो मैंने just इसको इसमें transfer किया हुआ है. I love that जो भी चीजें आपको लगने वाली है, everything they have provided. They have given this cute little thing जिसमें आप mixture create कर सकते हो. You can apply it and they have given like a slant brush as well. Perfect for this application. You also have this little thing, dropper for the water. I'll show you guys exactly how to use that. And they have given this cute little spoon. Like how cute is this? Small spoon to pick the henna out of this. And the best part, they have given eyebrow stencils as well. I wish उन्होंने 2 stencil दिया होता of each, but they have just given 1 of each. I'll show you exactly how I like to do it. The first thing I'm going to do is create an outline using this stencil. Kind of like a guideline exactly where I want to place the henna. इसके नीचे ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. And the best thing to do is to use like a white liner. ये काजल है. You can use anything that you have. Basically because it's like a silver whitish color, ये stand out होगा और मुझे दिखेगा ठीक से कि मैं कहाँ क्या लगा रही हूँ. Take your time. If you don't like it, just go ahead with a micellar water, wipe it off, start again. Because जैसे आप map करोगे, it's gonna last you for a week. So yeah, take your time. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with Vaseline and Q-tip and go over the areas where I don't want it to tint. Nice. Now let's make the mixture. Using the tray provided, I'm just going to use the spoon that they have given. I'm going to pick this much. I think half a teaspoon is good enough. Adding it in the tray. Next, use filtered water, and I'm just going to pick that water up in the spatula given. And इसमें सिर्फ और सिर्फ 4 to 5 drops डालना है. Do not put more. You don't want to make it like a watery paste. 1, 2, 3. First, let's start with 3 and see how much we need. Using the spoon again and just like mix, mix, mix. It should look something like this. Make sure you mix it nicely. There shouldn't be any lumps of henna. Henna is ready. I'm going to use the angled brush that they have provided and start doing my eyebrows. Always start with the tail area first because you want the pigment the most over there. And I'm going to start with this end because this is the problem area for me. Work with little area at a time and try to stay in the boundary that you have created. Also, this is henna. Don't do like a very thin layer of it. If you want more pigment, like add like a good amount of it. I have done like a nice thick layer till here. यहाँ पर मुझे थोड़ा ombre effect चाहिए. So I'm gonna line it at the bottom and then just how I usually fill my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna flick it up like this. You'll see what I'm doing. You'll see it's not super thick at the front. That's exactly what I want. And don't get intimidated. It's not gonna look like this. I'm just gonna go ahead with a clean Q-tip, dip it in some water and just wiping off whatever is like stuck on my skin where I don't want it to be, like right over here. Okay, now that you're done with one side of your eyebrows, you are supposed to keep this for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna set the timer now. Alexa, remind me in 15 minutes to wipe off the eyebrow. Let's complete the other eye as well before it dries. Okay, I'm just going to let this one set for 15 minutes as well. I'm going to set another reminder for 15 minutes. And now let's just wait. Don't be scared of how it's looking right now. Once you wipe it off, trust me, इतना dark नहीं होता है. So keep it for 15 minutes. जो पहला 15 मिनट का timer set किया था, that just went off. So I'm gonna start wiping this eyebrow. First time I did this, the stain was definitely a little bit more prominent. This time मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इतना अच्छा dark stain नहीं हुआ है. If you feel like ऐसा कुछ result आ रहा है, you can go ahead and do it a second time. It's henna, it really doesn't bother. And you can keep it for a longer time as well. Should I go ahead and do it a second time? Let's do it. And I didn't do the whole thing, just the bottom, like the tail part. I want it to be a little bit more darker. So I'll let you know whether I keep it for 15 or 30 minutes. I think I should do like 30 minutes because 15 is not doing the job anymore. So I'm going to keep it for 30 minutes and I'll be back. I washed it off and it's definitely looking so much better. I like the results that I've gotten now. Next time, I'm definitely going to keep it for 40 minutes to 1 hour. I saw a few videos and they have definitely mentioned to keep it for like a good hour. Henna hai to thoda time lagta hai wo color develop hone ke liye, and it definitely gets a little bit more darker throughout the days. Henna usually वैसे ही काम करता है. So even though it's written 15 minutes, 15 minutes मुझे थोड़ा कम लगा. Start में 15 minutes ही रखना and see how you like the tint. If you want it a little bit more, keep it for a little bit longer. But I would say कि first time जब मैंने लगाया था 15 मिनट में मुझे अच्छा खासा टिंट आया था. तो जैसे जैसे आप जितना टाइम के बाद वो लगाओगे पाउडर, वो थोड़ा लूजन अप हो जाता है. That's what I have seen. But I'm happy with the results that I've gotten now. Let's start with the eyelashes. I have the Lock and Bond by this brand called Balian. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's what the brand is, and it has a bond and lock situation right over here. Using this product, your eyelash extension, the clusters, something like this. I also have another one that I'll show you guys, but using this product, it will make it last for 7 days. And yes, I have tested it out. It lasted me for 7 days, and honestly, if I would have let it go, like not remove it, it would have lasted even more. We need some cluster lashes. Last time जब भी मैंने try out किया था, I used these two combination and it lasted me for a good week. So yeah, you can definitely use pre-glued eyelash clusters as well. But today I will be using something else. I have another eyelash cluster from Make Create. This is not pre-glued, by the way, but do you see the variety that I have over here? If I want to do like a nice thick eyelash, more like glam, I can go with something over here. And if I want a more natural look, I can go with something over here. अगर आप यहाँ देखोगे, this is more of like the longest, I think 16 or 18, and then it goes down. So this is more like a set pre-done already, and this looks so fun. I really want to try doing like a mermaid cat eye look with this. I'm very excited. ये मैंने अभी तक नहीं किया हुआ है. And you need this kind of a eyelash holder. ये मुझे इसके साथ ही मिला था. I have not purchased it separately, but this is so useful. You can use the plucker that you get, but this one, because of the way this is, just makes it 10 times easier. I have purchased another one to try out, but ये मैंने अभी तक try out नहीं किया है. So I'm not going to talk about this. I'm just going to talk about the Balian one. But ये probably next future videos में ये भी try out करूँगी. This is by Falscara, by the way. ये bond काफ़ी ज़्यादा strong है. It won't get off with a normal cleanser or oil cleanser. You need a proper remover for it. I picked this one up from this brand called Kiss Falscara Remover. Next, you're gonna need a tape. You can use any tape. I'm just using this construction tape that you get easily in any market. Without wasting any more time, let's get started doing our eyelashes. I'm contemplating whether I should go with 40 Pro or 50 Pro. I do want it to be a little bit more glam, but I don't want it to look like too extreme. So let's just go a little bit more safe and pick this set. Place, pick, tape. Next, I'm gonna take the Balian Bond and Lock. I'm gonna use the bond side of it and apply a thin layer of it only at the start. Do not drag it all the way to the top, just over here. You will see me doing in the video. You can see I'm not dragging it up, just a very slight layer of it at the base. Sometimes the base of it starts sticking to the bottom. What you can do is go ahead with the lock. The brush of the lock looks something like this. This will make sure the tackiness goes away. So I'm gonna just apply this at the bottom ताकि ऊपर का lashes नीचे पे ना चिपके. एक सेट में यहाँ पर 9 lashes है. I don't think I need 9 lashes. I'm gonna go ahead with 6. So you have to hold it like this. Don't hold it at the top. Hold it a little above the bottom. Pick it up and you are going to place it right above this. Using this, I'm going to clamp it so it sticks beautifully. A major tip I would say is do not apply the eyelashes on your waterline. Leave like 1 inch from your waterline and stick it to your lashes. Then it will be more comfortable. You don't want it to irritate you. Once you get the hang of it, it gets a little easier. I am happy with how the set is looking. I'm just gonna go ahead one more time and give it a nice press. Next, you will need this kind of a separator. This will make sure the lashes are not clumped together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like give it a nice brush. Next, I'm gonna go ahead with the lock side of it and apply this where I applied the lock. That's it. That's all you need to do. Wow, this is looking so good. Exactly what I like. It's giving me that mermaid kind of length at the end and tapering in. जैसे मैंने ये वाला set almost इतना use किया हुआ है. Almost everything I've used, leaving the last 2 sets. So I'm going to do the same exact thing on this side as well. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what do you guys think. I definitely love this set a little bit more than this one. ये वाला थोड़ा hard लग रहा था मुझे, but this is so soft. I'm literally feeling like I don't have anything on my lashes. Yet this is more glam than this one. This is more like every single day kind of a lash set, but I love this one. I'm gonna do one more thing, going ahead with the lock again, and I am going to apply it right in between this applicator, the inside. Let's quickly do this side as well. This is how the lashes are looking. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. Sare products जो भी मैंने use किए, everything will be linked in the description down below. Also, let me know what you guys think about these results. I am obsessed. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Anywhere you go.